Good morning students. Today we are discussing the topic is 6th chapter, numbers up to thousands. Do you know how to write the thousand numbers in inverse? Do you know how to write? Do you got thousand numbers? I will give you some numbers. You note down and write them. Okay? Let's write. 496. First, read this number. What is the number? 496. How to read? If you don't know how to read, just give a place values first. Okay, this is the ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place. So read now. How many hundreds are there? 400. So 400. What is the number? 96. So write down 400. 96. Like that, all of you write down 1 to 1000 numbers in inverse. Okay, let's all of you open your textbook, page number 62 and 6th chapter. Once all of you see these pictures, numbers beyond 100, hundreds, tens and ones. We know that 10 ones is equals to 110. That is not a equal to. That is not a is equal to. That is equal to. Okay. Equal to 110. Similarly, 10 tens equal to 100. Let's see the first image. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are there. So 10, 10, 10 ones. How many one boxes are there? 10 ones. Let's see. Let's gather these 10 boxes in a box. How many boxes are there in one box? 1, 10. This is only 110. So 10 ones equal to 110. 10 ones means 1. Ones means 1. So 10 ones equal to 10. Let's see. Like this type of tens, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens are there. So 10 into 10 equals to how much? You got a 10 table, right? So 10 tens is 100. 10 times is 100. Let's see here 100 box. Okay, like that. See here, fill in the blanks. How many 100 boxes are there? 100 box. So 100 equal to how many tens will be there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Consider each column is a 1 10. Okay. Like that, how many tens are there? 10 tens. See the second one. How many 100 boxes are there? 2. So 200 equals to how many tens will be there? In one box, it has 10 tens. In the second box also has a 10 tens. So 10 plus 10 equals to how much? Is equals to 20. So 20 tens are there in 200 box. Let's see. How many boxes does it have? 3. So how many hundreds? 300. How many hundreds? 300 equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30 tens equals to 30 tens. Okay. So what is the number? 100. And what is the number? 200. And this number is 300. Like that you tell me dash hundreds equal to dash tens equal to dash hundreds. Let's see how many hundreds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 in blank equal to dash tens. So in the 4 boxes, in each box has a 1 10. So total how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10 is equal to 40 tens. Okay, write the number here. 400. 4 tens equal to 400. See the next picture. Take first box 10. 10. This is 100 actually, but it has 10 tens. But it has 10 tens. Okay, don't forget it. These are the 100 boxes. These are the 100 boxes. In each box has a 10 tens. 10 tens. See. So how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens equal to 50. First tell me how many hundreds are there? 500. How many tenses? 50 tenses. So 500 or 50 tens. 50 into 10. Okay. 50 into 1 equal to 50. And write this 0 here. So the answer is 500. Like that, you fill all these boxes in your textbook. Okay, come to. Let's see this one. 100 plus 1 time, 2 times, 3 times plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 equals to dash 100 plus dash 10 plus dash 1. First see, this is the ones place. These are the tenses. These are the ones. These are the hundreds. But it has only 100 now. So take how many hundreds are there? 100. Write in that blank 1. So how many tens are there? 3 tenses. So write here. Already tens is given. So you write in the dash 3 only. So see here how many ones are there? 5. So ones already given. So write the number 5. So now in ones place what we have to write? 5. In tens place 3. 100 place is 1. Now read the number. What is the number that is? 135. Let's see these type of sums are in your textbook. Once see the picture, second picture. Let's see how many hundreds are there? 2. How many hundreds are there? 2. Plus how many tens are there? These are also 1, 2. 2. Next, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So here you write down 2, here 2, here 5. Okay, 2, 2, 5. This ones place, tens place, 100 place. Now read the number. What is the number that is? 225. What is the number? 225. Let's see the second, third one. 1, 2, 3. How many hundreds are there? 3. Right here 3. And plus how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. These are also 3 times. Write the 3 here. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3. So we are 3, 3, 3 in each place. So what is the number now? 333. What is the number? 333. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many hundred? 600. Let's see here. First tens is there in up. 1, down, 1, 2. This is 3. This is 4. How many tens boxes are there? 4. Write in this box 4. Okay. Let's see. What next? Ones. First box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many boxes are there? 7. In ones place we write down 7. So now read 600. Understood, children? This topic. Let's come to the 6.1. Okay, these all are the same as this topic. 6.1 is same as this topic. So you have to solve in your textbook. Okay. Write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. Let's see the first one. 584. After numbers, do you know what next? 584 after 585. Next 586. Next 587. Next 588. Next 589. It's already there. What is the next number? 590. Let's see the second one. 559 dash 464. Okay, 459 dash 464 dash. Okay, complete this series. 459 after, if we add plus 1, 459 after 459 after 60. Add 400 plus 60 is 460. Okay, what next? 461, 462, 463. Is it clear? What next? 464. It's right. Next 465, 466. Understood all of you? This one. Let's come to the third one. 938. What is the number? 938. 939. 39 after 40. 940. Next 941. 942. 943. 944. What next? 944. So we wrote it all right. Okay. Once all of you look at the page number 64. See, complete the number grid by filling in the missing numbers. You write the numbers, say them aloud. Okay. All of you see, what is the number? 701. Say loudly. 701. Okay. See, what is the number? 702. Say loudly. 702. Let's see. What next? What comes next? 703. Say loud. 703. Like that, you write the number and say loud. 704. Next. This is 705. Next. 706. Next. 707. Next. 708. Next. 709. Next. 710. I complete the first row. Okay. All of you write down like this and say loudly in your book. All of you write down from right 701 to 800 numbers and say loud. Say it loud. Okay. Say aloud. So it has some numbers in the middle. So you complete the all numbers. Okay. Let's see the numbers. Second one, 672 minus 600. This is not a minus. Just 772 to 681. Okay. Write these numbers also. Write. This is the question. And the second question is write 672 to 680. 981. You solve it. These are solving sums. Solve. Okay. Okay. Write down in these boxes and read aloud. Next, third one. And write from 975 to 984. And the fourth one is write down 951 to 1000 numbers. Write down in these boxes or in your notebook, wherever you write down these numbers and read very loudly. Okay. In the first one you write 701 to 800 numbers, you write down in a book and read loudly. Again, the second one is 672 to 681. You write down the between numbers and read loudly. And come to the third one, 975 to 984. Write down and read loudly. Let's come to the fourth one, 951 to 1000. Write down in your book and read loudly. Okay, everyone should complete this work in your notebook. I will definitely check after you come to school. Thank you.